Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have for you something I brought back, my CatLady Box. So let's open it and take a look and see what's inside. Oh my. Alright. So that's what it looks like. Not that it looks like much yet. But I'll set it over here. And here is the month's theme. It is a black cat. This is the Black Cats box. Okay. Alright. Get my glasses ready. So, just to make him happy because he can smell it now, I have to get my scissors out. I'm cutting the tags off real quick because he can smell the catnip. Catnip's coming out. The first thing we have is a black cat paw catnip toy, and you know he wants it. Alright, let me set it down. And the second one we have is a Meowgical Pineapple Kitty. And it's a Meowgical Pineapple Kitty. Let me get the tag off of this one. Oh, I gotta make sure I get all the plastic pieces off of it. And there it is. It's a black cat with a pineapple on its head. That's goofy. It's very funny. Hey. Hey, there's a second one. Okay, catnip toys are out of the way. Let's go on to the next thing in the box is, oh, Black Cat Fan Club. Nice. And it's done in purple. So we got a t-shirt. And it looks like there's two more things in the box. Pusheen will go lay in that box. That box smells like catnip. Then we got some cat magnets. They kind of fell out of their place. I like those. Let's see what they're like. And here's my scissors. They look rather nice and thick. So let's check these out. Oh, they are. They're thick. They're nice. Real nice. It'll be something else for him to knock off of my mini fridge. Just saying. I'm going to real quick stick these on my fridge. It'll be another box I can toss across the room. I like the picture on the back. I like that. Nice, nice. Oh, CatLady Box does donate a portion of all profits to cat rescue organization. That is really awesome about CatLady Box, in case you didn't know that. And he is really enjoying that cat toy. I'm going to have to get the one he dropped on the floor. He loves cat toys. And then, this is the last thing. So, let's open this up. And let's see what's in the bag. So, I don't know. Oh, it's soft. Oh, it's a blanket. It is a blanket. And it is covered in black kitties. I loves it. And oh my. It is a big blanket. It's huge. It smells good too. So, here's what we received. Black Cat Fan Club Tee, cat blanket, Black Cat magnet set, and the Black Cat Paw catnip toy, and a Meowgical Pineapple Kitty Catnap. That is really cool. The featured cat lady artist is Monica Suska. She is a full-time illustrator and part-time traveler from Warsaw, Poland. In her own words, she is a legit crazy animal lady and draws lots of cats. Nice. Cat Lady Cares. Tommy Cat Foundation is It's Meow or Never, Heart of the Valley Animal Shelter, Little Wonders, New York City. Because of us, purchasers of CatLady Box, they were able to donate to those rescues last month. But there's the theme. So I have to go chase down Pusheen's toys that he's now dropped. But I hope you've enjoyed seeing the CatLady Box, Black Cat box. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.